If you can check your email and you've got a Gmail account, you can start a YouTube channel. I'm going to show you how in 5 steps. Only 5. And the last one's going to surprise you. Now, you don't need to be techie. You don't need to be a genius. You just need to follow some very simple steps, and we're going to do that right away. Step number 1, you want to go over to youtube.com. There it is right up there in the corner, youtube.com. That's where we're going. And then over on the other side, because you're signed out of any Gmail accounts, you're going to sign in. That's what we'll do. I've got a couple of accounts. I'm going to make this under the bill@billmcconnell.co. I'm going to click on that account up in the corner. For you, it's probably an initial, but I've already got a YouTube channel on here. So I'm going to go down and switch accounts. What you're going to be looking for is create a channel. But because I already have one, I have to get to that spot where it says create a channel. And that's what you're going to find right here. And we get to this, and we're going to put in a picture and a name and a handle. The name and the handle are different. The handle is how people will find your channel, and your name is, well, it's your name. But for now, we're going to start and select a picture. And you have all of these options. I don't suggest using any of these options. I suggest you go up to your computer and pick your own picture. Now, please understand, you can change any of this later. You can change the name. You can change your picture every day if you want to. The name and your handle you can't change. You can change it every 2.5 weeks. 2 is the minimum, but if you go 2 weeks and then wait a few more days, then you can change your handle. But I'm going to pick a picture, just drag it over, and drop it in. And it's thinking about it, and there it is. This is the picture I have chosen. You can zoom and center it, and that's it. Done. And the name I want to use is, I'm going to use my name. If I can spell it right. And I'm just going to add 23 behind it. And it will actually pop up and say, hey, your handle actually pops up as your name, takes away the spaces, and this check mark right here is going to tell me that it's available. Out of the bazillion YouTube channels, Bill McConnell 23 is available. Now, if I were to put something in there that wasn't available, like Bill_McConnell, you can see that I get a red exclamation mark that says, hey, this is taken. You can't use this. Somebody's already taken it. By the way, it's me that took it. This is mine. But it gives you an available one where it says, I'll zoom in even closer if I can here. There it is. Bill_McConnell -V3R. No one's going to remember that. So you're going to want to pick one, a channel handle where people can find you. Now, if it's your name, great. If it's the name of what your theme or niche is that you've picked that's creative, like for me, if I were to go back and try Easy Online Impact, it's not available. So I'm just going to go back to Bill McConnell 23. And that's what I'm going to use. And down it says create your channel. And remember, you can change this. Now, this is real interesting. I didn't zoom out, but I want you to see this. This channel does not exist. Big red bar across the top. What are you going to do? You're thinking, I just changed this thing. You're going to go over here to your icon up in the corner, which may or may not be your picture at this point that you just uploaded. And you're going to go down and you're going to see switch accounts. And all of a sudden it is there. Bill McConnell is where I was, the one I logged in on. But here's the channel I just created. It says it doesn't exist, but it does. You just have to go back to it. We're at about step 4 at this point. Please remember that this is your channel. It doesn't look like much. It doesn't look like anything at all because you haven't put up any videos. But what you want to do is go to YouTube Studio. And the way you do that is you go to, and notice it's, the name that I have is Bill McConnell 23, the one with the spaces in it. But the handle where people are going to try and find you, or you're going to try and find me in this regard, is Bill McConnell 23 without the spaces. That's the difference. One is what shows up. The other is how people find you. But I'm going to go down to Customize Channel. I'll give you a little prompt there to start with. We'll close up a couple of things. And this is where you can change your banner. This is where you can change your picture again. This is where you can change your name again. This is where you can change your handle again. I picked the wrong handle. Oh my goodness. You can change it. It's okay. And that's pretty cool. And then you put a description for what your channel is about. YouTube needs this so that it knows what your channel's about and help direct you. So you've got all of those things, real easy. I'm not going to show you how to upload a banner at this time, but what we can do over here is view the channel. There, it's over there. So we're going to view your channel, opens a new scene, and this is what your new channel looks like. It's got no banner at the top because you haven't put a banner in there. I wonder what would happen if we chose a banner. It's saying upload, so I don't really have anything set for that, but you'll notice that it gives you the size. That's the size of the banner that you want to make, and it has to be under 6 megabits. So you know the size. We may do that in Canva in a later video, and that would be a good thing to do. But for right now, you have a YouTube channel. You don't have any videos yet, but you will have. Thanks for watching. My name's Bill. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'd appreciate that. And I want you to make a home on YouTube.